hands up. Lost and found Manila. You ready? You know who it is. Hands up, yo, I want yo. Hands up, come on. Hands up, hands up. Been a minute, but I'm back again to keep it K. The U was rid of me, but sorry, babe, I made her stay. I'm burning rubber like a demon on an interstate. Like an engine, you can tell a J by the sound made. When I play Richard Pound, selling bass by the ounce. Keep my name in their mouth like it's hard to pronounce. Showing up unannounced, sneakers on in the house. I've been deep in my bag like it hit my account, no doubt. Know what I'm about. All I see is problem and I thought it was a drought. Talk like I'm a peasant when you know that I'm the count. Who the heart is out? Tell him I'm out, JC. Come on, yo. Hands up, yo. I want your hands up, blood fried. Think you get a chest side. Popping for the west side. Bring that to your head like hands up. Everybody jump. Sweating, I just woke up with the crown, hit the ground. Mosh pit, too easy to drop shit. Make some new songs, sick of break from all the top shit. Figure out a game and unlock it. I'm up as fuck, just like I'm stuck in the carpet. Still in every sentence like now. I move, you ain't body, you are cordially up. Move! Come on, everybody. I want y'all party. Let's go. Hands up, to the floor. Just time, popping for the west side. One, everyone jump. 1, 2, 3, jump. You want more? Caught up in 1999, it's nothing new. So stuck on you. If I could travel back in time to just see you, you know I'll do. Bakit ba gusto mong gawin ng malay? Pati na rin sayang tinataglay. Yo. Kinakagat ang dila hanggang mawala ang sakit na dulot ng realidad. And I know I'm never healed, cause this world wants to fuck me, and I can't change. Kinakagat ang dila hanggang mawala ang sakit na dulot ng realidad. And I know I'm never healed, cause this world wants to fuck me, and I can't change that. Gusto ko lahat kakanta mo. Kinakagat ang dila hanggang mawala ang sakit na tulot ng realidad. And I know I'm never healed, 'cause this world wants to fuck me, and I can't change. Kinakagat ang dila hanggang mawala ang sakit na tulot ng realidad. And I know I'm never healed, 'cause this world wants to fuck me, and I can't change that. I wanna know if you're listening. I wanna know if you're happy hating. Everyone, sing this part for me. This one wants to fuck me, and I can't change it. And I can't change that. I wanna know if you're happy hating. I wanna know if I want to fuck me, and I can't change that. What is up, NFT? Whew. Grabe, hello sa inyong lahat. Ako nga pala si Josh Cullen. And this is the Lost and Found album concert. Nagustuhan niyo ba yon? Bakit ang hihina niyo sumagsisigaw? Nagustuhan niyo ba yon? May ilalakas pa ba? Yan. So ayun, napakadami nyo. Kahit standing tayo, at meron tayo mga nasa live stream, napakarami nyo. Maraming salamat kasi, alam niyo, for the past weeks, for the past months, super excited ako na ipakita sa inyo kung ano yung mga pinaghirapan ko. Especially noong mga panahong hindi ako natutulog. Alam niyo naman. At syempre, very talagang galing sa puso lahat to. Binuhos ko lahat para dito. So, to be honest, kinakabahan talaga ako. Kasi first ever, alam niyo naman, first ever solo concert ko po ito. Bukod doon, first ever solo album ko din ito. And I want it to be as authentic as possible. Kasi lahat po... Hey! Yun o, sinabayan. Salamat, marami pong salamat. Pero sabi ko nga, as authentic as possible, lahat po nung nakikita nyo, ito si Josh Cullen. Dito po ako sa kinatatayuan ko, somewhere in between the lost and found. So, lahat po ng songs na ito ay hango po sa aking sariling storya at gusto ko pong ibahagi sa inyong lahat. Kaya sana po lahat kayo mag-enjoy today, tonight. Lahat po ito ginawa kong posible para makapagbalik sa inyo. Finger heart kayo sa akin. Finger heart ka. Tingin nga ng finger heart. Nakita ko yung fan project nyo. Grabe. Thank you so much. Meron tayong finger heart sa 1999. Baby. ngayong gabi ay di palalagpasin ang iyong himpilan at isipan aking kakalugin Pamamagitan ng halina o paming gustuhin Sa mga titig na tutunaw ikaw bumubuo ng araw Oh yeah, baby Your touch is sensuous Yeah, when you took me mine, oh how it feels When you give it to me, baby Just let me know when you're ready Di na hahanap ng iba Ikaw lang ang pinakamaganda Ikaw lang gusto makasama Yeah Cause I see me and you on my bed in my room Holding hands while we move Cause I'm way too into this baby I don't mind, I can spend the time just to make you mine, make you feel Cause I wish I was sitting all on my sofa with you Rolling up long indulgence Bottle up, getting closer with you, baby Call me up, rings in my life 4 in the morning, you know what's like We can move slow so we go alright Hey! Woo! Teka lang. Ang hina ng sigawan, ano yan? Teka, inom muna akong tubig. Sino nakakalam ng part na to? Sino? Pwede nyo ba taas ang inyong mga kamay? Okay, isa pa. Pwede po mababawasan ang ilaw dito? Sa akin. Hindi ko nakikita yung audience. Taas ang kamay, please. Kabisado. Alright, pipili ako para fair. Pipili ako na isang nasa likod. Okay? Kabisado mo? Yung nakakap? Naka-black? Liga dito. Okay lang. Sige po. Yung nakakap, naka-black, papuntahin niyo po dito. Hello? Halika, dito ka. Meron pa ba tayong isang mic dyan? Meron pa po ba tayo isang mic dyan? May microphone ba tayo? Anong name mo?
Pat.
Pat?
Yes.
So, anong oras ka dumating dito?
Kanina pang 1.
1? Wow. Kamusta naman ang experience so far, Pat?
Masaya.
Masaya? Nag-enjoy ka?
So,
Anong masasabi mo sa kanila? Ayun, may microphone ka. Ito, yung isa kong microphone din yan. Pero ayun, sige. Ano masasabi mo sa experience na nandito ka ngayon?
sobrang saya kasi hirap kami ng ticket.
Wala, hindi po ata gumagana. Sorry. Hindi pa gumagana? So, eto, sige. Habang di ba gumagana, may kasama ka ba?
Meron po.
Sino?
Yung mga friends ko
Pwede ba mag-hello ka sa friends mo?
ay sa mga O18 dyan.
Hello daw. So, ayun. Alam mo na tong part na to? Alam mo? Ayaw po gumana? Kung ayaw, so alam mo to, ha? Ikaw na bahala. Okay? Kailangan buhatin mo ako dito, ha? Okay ba yun? Ayan, okay na. Pwede ba natin syempre i-cheer si Pat? Kailangan natin ng lakas ng loob, eh. Kailangan nyo ng lakas ako. Pwede ba lakas? Pat, ready ka? Bibilang ako, okay? Okay, ready ka na, Pat? And the count of 3. Sasabihin ko 1, 2, 3, go, okay? Okay? 3. Go. Da-da-da, so much. Okay ka lang? Huwag ka umiyak. Umiyak si Pat! dito ka, dito ka, dito ka.
Nandun kasi ako sa Kalamba. Tapos, nandun kami napunta sa last line. Kahit gabi pa lang nandun na kami. Kaya,
Ah, nandun daw siya nung Kalamba. Sige, sabihin mo sa microphone mo. Dali. so, ngayon lang daw siya nagkaroon ng opportunity para makalapit. So, thank you at binuo mo yung gabi namin. Maraming salamat. Mag-iingat ka. Single ka ba? Oo. Naninigurado lang. Tatanong lang. Survey lang, survey. Sige, Pat. Halika na.
just thank you.
Palakpakan naman na si Pat! So, ayun na nga. Grabe yun. Ang dami nangyari nun ah. The night is still young. The night is still young, BBQs! 18! And of course, everyone, each and every one of you, sobrang importante para sa akin. Pati yung mga nandun sa balcony. Hello, everyone! Asan yung mga kaibigan ko dyan? Asan yung mga kaibigan ko? Asan yung mga nasa Discord? Yun, ang dami natin ah. Full house tayo. Alam mo, sabi sa akin kanina, dun sa backstage, sabi, medyo na-delay daw kasi sobrang dami. Ayaw daw iba, start muna. So, safety reminders lang po. Huwag tayo magtutulakan. Let's keep this, syempre, very safe for everyone. So, maging considerate po tayo sa ating mga katabi. Alam po natin, gusto natin lumapit lahat. Pero don't worry, sobrang dami kong surprises sa inyo ngayon. Sinasabi sa inyo, hindi nyo talaga inaasahan to.